Okay, this is just exciting to me. So this potato plant is on its way out, and I could really use this bed for my purple tree collard down there. So I decided, well, I'll start digging it up, see what happens, and look in there. Oh my gosh. I just started planting potatoes. Look at the size of them. I've never grown potatoes before, so this is, and these just came from a potato that was growing in my house, in the kitchen. It was an organic one. I actually bought it, I think, to do this. Oh my gosh, look at this. I filled it up with a lot. Oh wow, look, I just seen another one. Look at this, all this from one potato. Wow, this is my first success at white potatoes. I know they don't tolerate heat well, so they won't be here much longer anyway. So, wow, look at the size of that. Oh my gosh. I mean, even if I just get 3, look at this. Wow, look at the size of this. It's so heavy. These are beautiful. I cannot believe I grew these. Oh, there's a little one. It was starting. It's the... Wow. Yeah, this one didn't... I don't know. I don't want to stick my shovel in there. It doesn't feel like it was any deeper. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, there's another one. I think that's it. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so that is great. There it is. I'll have to weigh them. Oh, something just flew by me. Oh, big old robin. Cardinal. Let's check. See, look at the size. Oh my God, this is beautiful. All right. Come this spring, I will be ready to be grown. Oh, look. Look on the roots. It looks like they were starting to produce some more. I wonder if I put it in the ground over here. It'll probably die, but I'm gonna put it in the garden over here because I do have some sweet potatoes growing. And because by the leaves, it looked like it was on its way out. And I could really use this bed. But I'm gonna bury it. I have sweet potatoes over here, and somewhere over here, I do have another potato growing. Voluntary. Let's see. I think this is it right here. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna plant this right next to it. Just see what happens. If it dies, it dies. If not, I might get more potatoes. All right. Enjoy your day. See ya.